Hello, this is Bruce. Now I will show you how to use this doorbell. And you can see here I get one doorbell and one iPhone, and this is the package for the doorbell. And I collect the doorbell with the cable network. This is the RJ45 port. You can see, and here is the Wi-Fi router on my left, right. And you can see this port, and I recollect it. So the light is on, and you can see I downloaded the IHG Bell app for this doorbell, and you can start it. And you can see here is the interface, and I press refresh, and then it turns to this page. And this is our Wi-Fi network name and the password. And it takes about 1 minute to configure successfully. And now you can see the app find the doorbell ID, and I can press it and to add it. Finish, and you can see doorbell 1, and you can see the view. I can choose the HD, the image HD image. And you can see I killed the app in the background. Okay, I killed, and then I close off the display, and I press.
Calling now. Wait a moment, please.
You can see my phone gets the call. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, no answer. Please press doorbell later.
And
Calling now. Wait a moment.
I press again. You can see I get the notification, and I answer the call.